Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Facebook account being restricted from advertising. So how to fix this? So there are multiple reasons that your account can be restricted, and let's get through it one by one. So if you're these are multiple restrictions you might be facing. Either your ad account is prohibited or restricted, either your profile is restricted, your business manager account, or your Facebook page. So these are the things that can be restricted on Facebook, and let's go through them one by one so we can know. And this is the system, the restrictions. You might be seeing this interface. So let's scroll down and check what is the issue. So these are the reasons, either your content is sexually explicit content, either it is prohibited categories or misinformation, sensational content, bad grammar or punctuation, inflammatory content, and unacceptable business practices, low quality, and personal attributes. So these are the reasons that your account is being restricted, and let's go through some other reasons as well. So if you scroll down, here is the another reason. You are running the ad and your ad just got reported multiple times from multiple users, and this is kind of a negative feedback. And when you get very high negative feedback, Facebook just restricts your account and thinks that you are scamming people or something like that. So just Meta blocks your account. And now how to fix this? If you scroll down, and here is the solution. As you can read, Facebook has made its review process more convenient than it used to be by introducing the account quality page. So just go to the Google and search Facebook account quality page, and you will see this interface, and you can see what can you do. Request a review of your Facebook account if you believe it shouldn't be restricted from advertising. So just request a review, write down the description that we were facing this issue and we did not do anything wrong, and make sure to explain your issue. And once you do it, they will review your account and restore it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.